Now, while charging with refrigerant to the system, uh, it is much advisable to monitor the load of the compressor by monitoring the current. So these three wires here, this is the supply to the compressor. So you have to put this one by one, one at a time with Clampmeter here, and you have to read what we call the current or the amperes. So as I said earlier, we have to monitor the current during charging process while the air condition is running. So the maximum current is 8 decimal 0 amperes. So more than this is not allowed. It is already excessive. But meaning there is already something wrong with the motor when you observe more than 8 decimal 0 amperes. But normally, during charging, in this system, you have here 41 decimal 7 bar. But in my previous video, I explained there is this air condition work in a excellent condition. Uh, the pressure is only 18 to 19 bar. So meaning uh, as equivalent current, it is around 4 to 5 bar is enough. So your air condition work is very cold already. So you don't need to charge up to 41 decimal 7 bar. It's 19 to 18 to 19 bar up to 20 bar is enough that your air condition will uh, properly working and cool your room up to maximum temperature. So here I will show you how much I charge. So as you can see here during charging, so one of this wire I put the clamp meter, so one at a time. So 4 decimal 26. So the wire is here, is in between here in the clamp. And then 4 decimal 18, 4 decimal 54, 4 decimal 64. So it's a 50%, around 50% of the maximum operating pressure. And here we have 5 decimal 02, 4 decimal 99, so around 5, 4 decimal 96, 5 decimal 02, 5 decimal 03, 5 decimal 02, 4 decimal 98, 4 decimal 99. So all of those three wires, the average current in each wire is around uh, 5 amperes. So it's around 25% or 20 to 25% load of the compressor. So I forgot to after this charging process, I started my air condition. I monitor. So the result was very cold in the room. So meaning the repair is proper and it's working properly. So I am happy to share with you if you are going to repair with your air condition. So if there's a leaking, so this is a guide for you. So I am happy to give this idea. So I forgot to take a picture inside the room when I started, when I monitor the air condition was working. So anyway, the repair process is done, and it was successfully done. The air condition working back to normal as seem like new. And then I would like to thank you for watching the series of this tutorial, the repair of the air condition. I hope you learn a lot in this video. So this is I actually done in my uh, home air condition in my home. So this can help you if you are if you want to repair also with the same problem. Uh, but remember, if you are not technical people, do not do this repair because it can damage your unit. So you have to call a technician, the maker representative or the technician to repair uh, if you are not able to repair. So since I am experienced also engineer, so I can do this. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video tutorial. Uh, if you are new in this channel, please click subscribe and please click also uh, bell notification, and then uh, please also click like and share. And thank you for watching and see you on my next uh, video tutorial. See you on my next video.